From David, he writes, Dustin, did you ever do supercourse racing in Central Texas in the early 2000s? MotoGP style sweeping turns.
I personally did not do any of that type of racing, but I know what it is. I saw back in the 2000s when they were doing that in Texas. I think like in the Houston, Dallas areas, they was pretty popular. But I personally never did any of that type of racing. But it kind of reminds me, the Supercourse kind of reminds me of like P1 tracks, honestly, a little bit.
Yeah.
The P1 tracks maybe not as tight as, or sweeping as they were, but it's very similar to the same, mindset of where I think they got the ideas from.
Yep. Yep. Well, I think, and I liked what they were trying to do with the Supercourse tracks because, and this is early advent of the 4-stroke, and you start seeing bigger skis, and they were trying to really distance themselves from the early runabout, XP tracks, and go into these large, less complicated tracks so that you were really into the throttle and you were really full speed. So I really like that idea. Right now, like what you were racing your 600 horsepower turbo boat on, that course wasn't necessarily advantageous to exactly that watercraft, because you could really wring that thing out, but that course was so tight and it was so technical that you were into the speed for half a second.
Correct. Yeah, that's true.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.